Hello and welcome to Rubik's TV. This time we're going to talk about reading temperature with conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's go. So converting Celsius to Fahrenheit, we have a formula from Celsius to Fahrenheit that is equal to degrees Celsius times 1.8 plus 32. And we also have this formula for estimation. So estimate that is equal to degrees Celsius times 2 plus 30. Okay, so let us have this example. So number one, we have 16 degree Celsius. So we have to write that is equals 16 degree Celsius times 1.8 plus 32. Okay, so if we multiply 16 degrees Celsius times 1.8, we'll get an equivalent of 28.8 and then plus 32. Okay, so that will give us 28.8 plus 32 to get 60.8 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, how about if we are going to estimate? You have 16 times 2, that is 32, plus 30, we get 62. Okay, so that is close to 60.8. Alright, so let us proceed to example number 2, that is equal to 31 degree Celsius times 1.8 plus 32. If we multiply 31 degrees Celsius times 1.8, you get 55.8, okay, plus 32, that is equal to 87.8 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, if we are going to estimate, that is 31 times 2, that is 62, okay, plus 30, that is 92. Okay, that's also close to 87.8. Okay, that is how to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit by using this formula. Thank you for watching. Mabuhay!